Hello, students. Today's topic is all about progressive verb tenses. Do you know how to use them to describe ongoing actions or events in English? So, let's start with what is verb tense. Verb tense refers to the form of a verb that tells us when an action took place and how long it occurred. There are three main verb tenses: past, present, and future. Past tense describes something that already happened. Present tense describes something that is happening now. And future tense describes something that will happen in the future. Verb tenses also have different categories or aspects, including simple, progressive, perfect, and perfect progressive. Each aspect has a past, present, and future tense. For this lesson, we are going to focus on the progressive aspect, also called the progressive verb tense. Now let's discuss our today's topic. What is the progressive verb tense? The progressive tense is also known as the continuous tense. It's a category of verb tenses that describes ongoing actions. Think of progressive verb tenses like a video camera. Just as a video camera shows a continuous recording of an event, progressive verb tenses show a continuous action that is happening over time. Here is the difference between two different aspects, simple and progressive. Read the sentences. What do you notice about the verbs in the progressive tense? In past simple, I ran on the track yesterday. In past progressive, I was running on the track. In present simple, I run on the track every day. In present progressive, I am running on the track. In future simple, I will run on the track later. In future progressive, I will be running on the track. What do you notice about the verbs in the progressive tense? If you notice the verbs end in ing, then you are right. Now let's see how to make a sentence with progressive verb tenses. In past progressive, we use was, were, and verb with ing form. In present progressive, we use is, am, are, and verb with ing form. And in future progressive, we use will be and verb with ing form. Let's understand with examples. I was running. We are playing at the park. We will be playing. Always remember, verbs in the progressive tense start with a form of the verb to be and end with the present participle of the main verb. A present participle is formed by adding ing to the end of the main form of the verb. Moving towards the types of progressive tense. Past progressive tense. It describes activities that lasted for a duration of time in the past and can be used to set the scene for another action. For example, she was cooking dinner when I arrived home. Next is present progressive tense. It is used for actions that are happening now or that are in progress. For example, she is cooking dinner in the kitchen. It means action like cooking dinner is happening now. Next is future progressive tense. It describes ongoing action that will happen in the future. For example, she will be cooking dinner when I arrive home next week. Now it's your turn. Write 3 sentences in the comment box using the past, present, and future progressive tenses. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe.